Welcome to Emipro. As a part of Emipro HR team, let me walk you through with the work culture at Emipro. Emipro has emerged as an employer of choice with world-class infrastructure, fun and flexible work environment, global exposure to clients, and many learning opportunities with the help of experienced mentors and various such benefits. We at Emipro believe in our core values: adaptability, commitment, excellence, integrity, think high, never settle, and unity. If you are keen to join a team of talented professionals that deal with ambitious challenges and create an extraordinary impact, this is the right team for you.
Hi, we at Emipro works with cutting-edge technologies with the collaboration of global leading partners. We believe in equal growth and learning opportunity for all our employees, and we ensure it by the training and mentorship by industrial experts. We don't just solve the problems, we craft a solution which revolutionizes the industry. So if you are passionate to build your career in a current industry trends, then please come and join us.
Join us to give your career a booming start and get mentored from experienced technocrats, exposure to latest technologies and industry best practices. Emipro offers several perks and benefits to maintain a proper work-life balance for their employees, and thus a 5-day working model and a lucrative leave policy comes in handy. Along with that, you also get health and fitness benefits, leave encashment, training on technical and soft skills, and an amazing experience to work with international clients. So don't wait, come and join us and have a great career ahead.
Join the ranks of eminent professionals in cutting-edge technology by working with highly skilled technocrats. Our technical department at Emipro is a great place to work for individuals who enjoy working on large-scale projects of various industries like e-commerce, retail, wholesale trade, manufacturing, and services across the globe. You will have the opportunity to work hand-in-hand with world-class brand offering advanced industrial solutions as well as professional team. So your primary focus will be in career advancement and upgrading your technical, functional, and T-shaped skills.
If you're curious, if you're passionate, and if you like to get things done, this is the right place for you. We are here to offer you an opportunity that adds value, not only with the job, but to help you create an impactful career with us. Thank you.